Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making cranberry millet rice. It is an innovative recipe. I have shared many recipes with cranberries. I made cranberries with brown rice and white rice also. Today I am making it with millets. In my previous video, I have shown how to cook millets. You can check my description box for the links to those recipes. Now let us make cranberry millet rice or cranberry millet pulihora. Take 1 cup of cranberries, wash them thoroughly and grind them into a paste. Cranberries are full of vitamin C, and by the color you can tell they are full of antioxidants. Don't you like this color? Transfer the ground paste into another bowl and keep it aside. I already cooked my millets. I used 1 3/4 cup of water for 1 cup of millets. Make sure you soak the millets 1 hour before cooking for best digestion. Dry roast 1/4 cup of peanuts or ground nuts on medium heat and keep them aside. And dry roast 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds also and keep them aside. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil or any other oil of your choice in a skillet and heat it on medium flame. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Stir them continuously. And 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies. Today I don't have green chilies, but I have a green chili paste. I froze them into balls like this to preserve. So I am adding 2 frozen balls of green chilies. This is a good way to preserve green chilies. Also add 3 to 4 red chilies and I cut them into small pieces. Stir them continuously. Add a big pinch of hing. And add a few curry leaves. Add ground cranberry paste and mix it well. Fry the cranberry paste along with seasoning for a minute or 2. Add enough salt and mix it well again. Now go ahead and add the cooked millet rice. Remember to cool down the millets before adding to the skillet because the hot millets will stick to the pan. If you cool them down, they get mixed with the cranberries nicely without sticking to the pan. Mix it well so that the cranberry mixture will coat around each grain of millet. Millets are better when you compare with brown rice. It does not mean that you can eat too much of it. Too much of anything is not good. You still have to be careful because millets contain carbohydrates. Too many carbs are not good for weight loss or diabetes. so limit them. Sorry, I forgot to add turmeric powder, so I am adding it now, but you add when the cranberries are cooking. Go ahead and add roasted peanuts and sesame seeds also and mix it well. Our cranberry millet rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more healthy recipes like this, check out my website at sesrakhaskitchen.com. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your comments are always encouraging me to do more videos.